welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into something absolutely insane. Something that blends power, luxury, and pure road dominance into one unbelievable machine. The 2026 Kenworth T. Yes, you heard that right. This is not just a truck, and it's not just a home. It's a rolling luxury mansion built on one of the most iconic platforms from Kenworth. Asterisk from the very first look. The T2000 Motorhome hits different. That aerodynamic, futuristic design that made the original T2000 famous is now transformed into a luxury beast. The long, smooth curves, massive chrome grille, and stretched body give it a presence that turns heads everywhere it goes. This is the kind of vehicle that doesn't just arrive, it makes an entrance. Asterisk, now let's talk about what really makes this machine special, the concept. The 2026 version takes the classic semi-truck DNA and converts it into a full-on motorhome. And not just any motor. We're talking ultra-premium, VIP-level living on wheels. Imagine combining a luxury penthouse with the power of a highway king. That's exactly what this build delivers. Asterisk, under the hood, this monster still packs serious power. You're looking at a high-performance diesel engine delivering massive torque, smooth acceleration, and long-haul reliability. Even though it's a motorhome, it hasn't lost that trucking soul. It's built to cruise effortlessly across countries while carrying everything you need for a luxury lifestyle. Asterisk, step inside. And this is where things go to another level. Asterisk, the interior of the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome feels like stepping into a five-star hotel. You get premium leather seating, ambient LED lighting, smart digital controls, and a fully connected system that lets you control everything from climate to entertainment. With just a touch. Asterisk, the living area is spacious and beautifully designed, featuring a modern lounge setup, a large smart TV, and even a fireplace-style display for that cozy vibe. The kitchen is fully equipped with high-end appliances, marble-style countertops, and plenty of storage, making it perfect for long journeys without sacrificing comfort. Asterisk, and yes, there's a bedroom. Not just any bedroom, but a luxury suite on wheels. A king-size bed, soft lighting, soundproofing, and elegant finishes create a relaxing space that feels nothing like a typical vehicle. Some builds even include a bathroom with a full shower, turning this into a complete mobile home. Asterisk, what makes the T2000 Motorhome truly special is the customization. Every detail can be tailored, from colors and materials to layout and tech features. Whether you want a minimalist, modern vibe or a Rolls-Royce-inspired luxury feel, this motorhome can be built exactly the way you imagine. Asterisk, driving, it is also a unique experience. Despite its size, advanced steering systems, cameras, and driver assist features make handling surprisingly smooth. Long drives feel less tiring, and you get that commanding road view that only a truck-based vehicle can offer. Asterisk, now let's be real. This isn't for everyone. This is for people who want freedom, luxury, and power all in one package. Whether it's for cross-country travel, business mobility, or just living life on the road in style, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome delivers something truly next-level. Asterisk, so if you had the chance, would you live in this rolling mansion, or would you take it on the ultimate road trip across the world? Asterisk, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insane